What if a child's journey to becoming a civil service officer could begin today? What if, even during school or college, there was a way to guide them toward a life of purpose and public service? That's exactly what Race2IAS offers, a national level exam that reflects the structure of the UPSC and inspires young minds to dream bigger, aim higher, and start earlier. 3 stages. 1. Purpose. Prelims, mains, and interview, just like the real UPSC. But here, it starts early. Race2IAS trains to think deeply, express clearly, and lead with heart. With structured civil service coaching, monthly current affairs support, test, answer writing practice, study materials, and the chance to interact with real IS, IPS, and IFS officers, Race2IAS provides more than preparation, it offers perspective. And for top performers, the experience goes even further: medals, recognition, and an unforgettable journey to Delhi, where they step into the heart of our nation's leadership. Over 85,000 students have already walked this path, each one growing not just in knowledge, but in vision and purpose. Now, the door opens again for young minds from class 6 to college to take their first bold step toward a purposeful future. Begin the journey today. Register now at www.race2ias.com.